here's how to use Tidio. So this tutorial is for beginners. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use Tidio, what is Tidio, and what are the benefits of Tidio. So first of all, I'm gonna show you how you can use Tidio. So make sure you don't miss any step, because if you missed any step, you won't know how you can use the Tidio. So it can be very helpful for your businesses and stuff like that. So let's just jump into it. First of all, let's just talk about its pricing, then we'll get into how to use it and stuff like that. So you get a free one. It's a standard plan, and in free one you get these are the main features of free one. You get a Lyro conversation starter pack, live chat conversations only 50, chatbot triggers 100, tickets they are infinite, and email, messenger, Instagram email integration, they are good to go, and native Shopify actions aren't available. So if you go for starter, you will get some more live conversations and chatbot triggers. Or if you just go for communicators or even chatbots, so you get a lot of chatbots, 2K to 40K. Or if you go for communicator, you get native Shopify actions and all this stuff. So if you want to go for the full Tidio option, you just go for communicator, or you can just go for Tidio Plus 2. So Tidio Plus is basically it's some most premium thing, and it's for 400 almost 400 USD a month, and it has custom Lyro conversation, Lyro Connect custom, live chat conversation. So yeah, I think that's a pretty great deal, but it's kind of expensive because only huge businessmen and stuff like that that people can afford this one. But if you want to start, you can just start for free, or you can either go for starters or communicator. So yeah, that's the basically pricing. So let's just jump into on how you can make your account. So first of all, pick up the free plan. You can either go for here or just press get started. All right. So once you're here, as you can see, it is asking for my email, password, and website. So you have to put in your website, like your Shopify or any other domain that you got. So I don't have any website, but I'm gonna try to log in with my Facebook. So I'm just gonna open it up in a new different browser. Tidio. All right. Just gonna go over here and check out if I could get on my Facebook. So just press on get started and sign up with Facebook. Connect. All right, let's see. It didn't register or something. I guess my Facebook isn't linked to a website. But when you have your own main domain and stuff like that, you would get your website from it. So yeah, once you get your website, you have to just put in there. Let me try my Shopify website if I can put it right over there. Let me try something right over here, guys. Wait a second. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into Shopify. I'm gonna copy a basic Shopify. This one. I'd copy, paste it right there. In my Gmail. All right. And I'm just gonna use a random password, just like that. Get started. All right, we're into Tidio now, and once you're here, it will ask shape your experience. It will only take a minute, so you have to put in your name. All right, and in Tidio, I primarily want to improve customer support, and build automatic. You can just go for whatever you want, but mostly people go for improve customer support. And what best describes your job role? So your job role is your these, or you can put up other and put it right over here. So I'm just gonna write up customer success agent, alright? And what's your company industry? Just put it online. What's your company size? Only me. Or you could just put up 1 to 5K people. Alright. And how is your website built? You can just put in Shopify or any other website builder. Alright. And just press next. And which channels do you plan to use Tidio for? It's up to you which one do you want to use. So I'm just gonna go for all of these because people use all of these. How you to have Tidio up and running as soon as possible. Alright. And email. Alright. Press next. Now we're in Tidio, so this is basically how will your Tidio look like, and it's very user friendly, guys. So you got this right over here, as well can see. You can basically put up, and its main features are chatbots. So basically the Tidio is basically a chatbot which helps you with your customers. So you can just start using Lyro, and website URL are generated, and you just put on add website content from URL and it will do your work. So this is basically Lyro, and you have chatbots right over here. So as all can see, chatbots can help you with a lot of stuff. So when you go to template, so as all can see, you got a lot of chatbots that can help you talk to your customer, just like AI responder and post-purchase discount, and a lot of AI just like that. So let's just go to AI responder, and I'm going to show you how you can use a template. You press on use a template, and it's going to come over here, and as you can see, that's a customer and that's a visitor says, and you can just put it right over here and press activate, and it's saving, and there we go. We have now successfully added a chatbot, and that's basically how you can add chatbots. So you got email marketing right over here, so you can do email marketing right through over here, and you can just do any type of marketing from it. And then you got your customers. So what you have to do is, you haven't installed your chat widget yet, so you have to install Tidio into your PC, and you'll get all your customers details and stuff like that. So this is basically your analytics. In this analytics, it will show you your all this stuff and all your business and all the conversations that you're using and stuff like that. And that's basically your current Tidio inside, and that's basically the main dashboard that will show you each and everything. So once you're done with that, now let's just talk about its benefits and stuff like that. So Tidio allows you and your team to keep track of interactions. So you can just keep a track of your team and with the interactions, and through their live chat and messenger emails on one page. With Tidio's live chat, you can communicate with visitors in real time. So you can, as I told you earlier, that you could talk to your visitors or customers in real time. You could also automate your customers' FAQs and saving your agents' time. So I think that's a pretty good benefit for a businessman or someone who is trying to do something online. So yeah, and it has chatbots too that will help you with your business. So you can use any type of chatbots, and right over here, as all can see, it has increased sales, generate leads, and solve problems. So you can just get autoresponder for plus 2 reactions, and you can grow to your business and stuff like that. So yeah, I would suggest using this for your business or any online work. And that's basically your inbox. And you can integrate your WhatsApp, your Instagram, Facebook, or Tidio widget to anything. So how do you integrate? You just press on integrate Instagram and press integrate, and you press continue and next step and connect your Instagram, start integration, and it will basically start integrating. And as you can see, continue as this is my account from Instagram, and I'll just press it and press next, done. You've linked your Tidio to Facebook and Instagram, and there we go. That is it, as simple as that. As I told y'all earlier, it's very user friendly and simple. And there we go. We have done our work now, and we can basically use our chatbot now and get all the story responses and stuff like that. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can use Tidio. So yeah, I hope I helped you guys out, and if you think this video was helpful, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. So yeah, peace out until then, goodbye.